So the first exercise is going to be an arm circle for your shoulders and basically all just your shoulder health basically. Your deltoids. So it's going to look like this. So we're going to do 10 each side, forward and backwards, and you should really kind of want to think about palms as far away from you as possible to create that tension. And then as you're doing the circular motion, you should be able to feel it all through your shoulder and your biceps and your forearms and stuff like that. And it should feel quite nice. Yeah, good. And again, it's a good opportunity to really like pinch our shoulder blades together when we're going around. Yeah, really nice. Next one, torso rotations. So basically, this is for our trunk, our backs, lats, spine, health, everything along those lines. And we're gonna have our arms in front of us like this, and we're just gonna slowly turn. So basically just gonna slowly turn and really feel out our body and our spine and see if there are any like aches there. And basically you wanna have nice slow and controlled rotations. Yeah. And try and keep your hips forward as well if you can, but they're gonna twist any end range. So a little bit slower if you can. Yeah.
Each side?
Yeah. Yeah, good. Nice. Next one, we're going to do cat-cow. So that's going to be, again, for our back and our spine. We're going to... yeah. For the cat-cow, we want to really like push through and through our knees and our hands when we're on our all four position, and get our back to as high as the ceiling as it can go. And then when we're coming back down, you want to sort of roll down your spine from your hips to the top of your spine to get a nice arch in your back and put your head and look up or forward and just really try and like squeeze out that extra little bit. Yeah. So just yeah, good. Yeah, really good. Nice. And you want to breathe out when you're pushing your back up and in when you're coming down. Nice. Really good. Cool. So the next one is going to be air squats. It's your lower body exercise. We're going to be working on the quads, glutes, hamstrings even, and some core stabilization muscles. What we're going to do is this. So for a couple of points, we basically want to be bending at our knees and our hips, where you want to be pushing through basically our whole foot. So if you imagine there are 3 points on your feet from your toe, little toe and heel, we want to be having our weight equally distributed between that. So using that to drive yourself up. And if there are any other corrections, we can make it. And neutral spine, and don't look to the ground, look ahead. Yeah. Yep, good. We just want to make sure we're getting our thighs to a parallel from the floor. Yep, really good. Your heels aren't coming off the ground. Yeah, just do a couple more for me. Yeah, good. Perfect. For the next one, we're going to do a walking lunge. That is again lower body. Again, same muscles before: quads, glutes, calves, hamstrings, muscles, all of them. Cool. So we basically want our knees to go over our toes. It's going to stretch our hip flexors. We want to drive through our front leg, like it's bending down. Almost think hamstring on calf. It's okay if it doesn't go fully there, but we want to try and get as much contact as possible. And yeah, when you step, try not to step in a direct line because it can throw off your balance. So it will feel a bit weird, but if you step almost like slightly diagonally, it kind of works out as forwards. So you want to, yeah. Yeah, good. Nice control. Yeah, really good. Yeah, and do a couple more, but with a little bit more range with your knees over your toes, if that's okay. Yeah. Perfect.